How y'all doing out there? YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. How y'all doing this evening? Y'all already know I'm sitting here on a Friday night. Have to feed my face. Having a little late night dinner, or I just actually had something delivered. Believe it or not, don't y'all judge me on this. Please don't judge me. But I can't remember the last time I actually cooked. Now, granted, I know how to cook, and I'm a great cook, an excellent cook, in my opinion, because I ain't had no complaints. But seriously, I believe the last time I've actually cooked was this 2018. Probably 2013. Yeah. About 5, maybe 6 years is the last time I actually cooked. I just gotten kind of lazy when it comes down to cooking. Good old A&W root beer. I don't like drinking out of the cans. I mean, I will drink out of a can, but I don't prefer it. But anyway, back to what I had delivered was I think it's Yum Yum Express on Village Boulevard in West Palm Beach. I think that's the name of it, right in the Publix Plaza. I called them and they delivered in my area. So I got some shrimp fried rice and some chicken wings. I gotta stick with what I can identify. You feel me? Let me hold the camera down so you can see this plate a little better. So I just got me some shrimp fried rice and some chicken wings and an old-fashioned A&W root beer soda. What's going on tonight, guys, girls? I already put my my soy sauce and my duck sauce on there. I guess soy sauce and duck sauce, that's like gravy for the black man. So it's like my version of gravy. Because I can't eat any dry rice. Even when I go to like other restaurants, Jamaican, Haitian, American, and I order rice, I have to have something on it. Gravy, sauce, juice, or something. I just can't have dry rice. This is really good. In my area, there's two Chinese restaurants that actually deliver. It's China Chopstick or Chopstick China something on North Olive Avenue in the downtown West Palm Beach area near City Place. They deliver in my area. And Yum Yum Express. Let me make sure I got the name right. That's sad. I even have them programmed in my phone. Chopsticks Chinese restaurant is one, and the other is Yum Yum Express. So, but this food here came from Yum Yum Express, which is on Village Boulevard. So the other one's Chopsticks Chinese restaurant, and they both deliver to this area. Chopsticks is 501 North Olive Avenue. I'm sorry, 501 Olive Drive, West Palm Beach, Florida. Yum Yum Express, I don't know the exact address, but I know it's on Village Boulevard in the Publix shopping plaza, right off of Village and Community. They both deliver, and Yum Yum will take credit cards at the door. That's a good thing. Chopsticks will take your credit card over the phone. Yum Yum will take your credit card at the door. I came on tonight specifically to give a shout out to one of my subscribers and tell y'all what she said to me. She's a faithful subscriber. Religiously, she watches all of my videos, and she'll inbox me, but she won't necessarily comment below. But she will inbox me through email and leave a message, or hit me up on Facebook or wherever. But anyway, she said, when I eat and doing my mukbang videos, I smack my teeth and mouth too much, and I lick my fingers too much, like when I'm eating fried chicken or something fried that I have to pick up my fingers, and the food is on my fingers. She said, I smack my fingers too much and I smack my mouth too much. I don't know if she caught the memo, but here it goes. Right down below, right below this picture, right below the screen, it says, The Anthony Brown Show. Who am I? Anthony Brown himself. Boo-boo. If you got a problem with the way I'm smacking my unsubscribe. I don't mean to offend anybody, but boo-boo. I try to keep it real. She said it all in fun, because I actually spoke to her on the phone. I'm just joking with her, but I personally know her. For the rest of you get all bent out of shape, like, oh, you let her have it. No. She's a friend of mine. I know her personally. I've been knowing her for about 7 years. I've known her. So when she started following my channel, and she called me actually and made that comment, I was hollering. It was hilarious to me. I was laughing. I didn't realize that she pays such close attention to detail, or others as well, because she does it, then I'm sure there's others as well. But Miss Carlene is her name. I'm not going to say her last name. Her first name is Miss Carlene. Oh, this is what I want to ask all of you. And your assistance with something real quick. I need you guys to comment below or inbox me, is my email, or DM me on Instagram. Give me some ideas of some other topics that you'd like me to cover on my show. Things you'd like me to do. With cooking, pranks, interviews, group chats, whatever. But definitely comment below and let me know some things that you would like me to do to broaden my platform here on YouTube. And also, guys, in the description below, our sponsor, ExoticWorldMasters.com, is an online store that sells all designer fragrances in the form of body lotions, oils, candles, shower gels, bubble baths, and more. Make sure you visit their channel, visit their page, visit their website, order some products, get your smell good on. Oh God, I gotta lick my fingers so bad. Miss Carlene, girl, I hope you're not watching. But give me some ideas. Y'all see how I was looking at that bone? I was looking for some more meat on there. Another thing, guys, I'm so close to hitting the first milestone as a YouTuber, and that's hitting 1,000 subscribers. I'm so close, I can smell it. I can see the 1,000 right over the horizon. I need your help. So, if you look at one of my previous videos, where it says the road to 1,000, I have a contest going, and you could enter the contest and win a prize once I hit my 1,000 subscribers. But for the details, you're gonna go back and either click on the video above or below. The link will be below in the description section or above my head. Click on that video. It will give you all the details on how you can enter into the contest and win a prize for some random subscriber once I hit 1,000. And what I might do is do the same thing at every 1,000 interval. A giveaway at 2,000, a giveaway at 3,000, 4, and so on. And something really, really awesome when I hit my 1,000,000. I'm sorry, my 100,000, then my 1,000,000. But right now, let's focus on getting that first 1,000. Because I'm so close I could taste it. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. So I can eat this food like I really want to, lick my fingers and all, without Miss Carlene saying something. But guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on this video. Comment below also, inbox me, let me know any ideas for future videos that you'd like me to see me do. Whether it be, like I said, partnering up with somebody, partnering with another YouTuber, interviews, smashing passes, group settings with, you know, guys, girls, groups, or guys, individual comment, girls, individual comments, or conversations, or group conversations. One-on-one interviews, two-on-one interviews, pranks, cooking, blogs at restaurants, traveling. But you let me know below what it is that you like to see. And the nails are still there. Don't hate. This has only been like 4 months, because remember they were completely going down to nubs. So I have, as a salon would say, a full set in about 4 months. Yeah. I moved in June. I broke them moving, so it's June, July, August, September, October. Yep. 4.5 months. A full set. And they're hard, strong, healthy. So just think, when I broke them, I did the video. If you guys would have jumped on the bandwagon, you too would be here. But talk to you later. Enjoy your evening. Good night.